Kiwibit, yeah, battery cam 1. Had this for a few months and I just want to make a review video on it. It's got an alarm, it's a camera, of course. My favorite part of this is that it sticks to metal. We also use this kind of as a baby cam as well, because you can you can put it up on like a cabinet and put it down and see the kids. I use it for like my friends come over and stuff like that. They use it to basically put in whatever room they put their kid in to nap. It's got an alarm on it, which is nice, night vision and all that. You can have expandable memory, and to charge it, you plug it in right here. There's a USB-C. So I like it. It works pretty well. It's got motion detection. It's water resistant. 2K, which is pretty high. 6-month battery life, multi-users, 2-way audio, all that stuff. Wi-Fi connection, and it has all the AI features in there where it will detect a person or motion and stuff like that within the app. That's where the speaker is right there. There you go.